Hello, this is synthesis of amino guanidine. Here is 18.9 grams of sodium nitrite. Here is 37.5 grams of amino guanidine bicarbonate that I got from Fisher Science Supply Store. I don't know how they sold it to me, but they just did. This is the sodium nitrate that I got from Walmart, so it's sort of a juxtaposition. And here's some 15% nitric acid. Silent mode. Safety glasses off because they're fogged up and I can't see. Wish there was some way to time lapse this. I haven't thought of a way. All I got is super speed. It's like 1 frame a second. Which doesn't do anything. But you know, that's what you get for filming on your phone. So it's a little bit of an open question because I don't remember what's gonna happen when I pour the nitric acid into bicarbonate. I think nothing. But I don't know. So, oh yeah, damn. Safety glasses on, fuse hood on, that kind of crap on because, well, this is actually chemistry now. Before it's just moving powders into jars. Now it's like, now something shitty can happen. It's gonna ruin about $8 if you want to be really. Okay, wait. Let me just check. Is the frame good? Okay, that looks better. Okay, so nitric acid into the amino guanidine. Let's see what happens. It bubbles a little bit. Okay. Closer. I don't think it's supposed to be nearly that good. As close as I can get you. Okay. I guess just don't let it foam over. Yeah, it should not be that yellow. Someone told me that there's a good chance that there's a lot of bubbling about to happen the second I swirl this. I'd give them about $1. Oh, okay. Sometimes what happens is that there's plenty of acid, just bicarbonate is not a good fucking, don't you dare bubble over. Sometimes you pour the acid in, and there's plenty of acid for the bicarbonate to react. There's just no, like, physical interaction between the bicarbonate and the solution. That sounds weird, but it's sometimes if you just, like, stir the solution, you get a lot of bubbles going at once. phones. It doesn't look like that's the issue now. Oh, fuck. Please, 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 please don't overcool. Yeah, this probably should be done in a liter. It should probably be done in a liter, but I got a 500 flat bottom. That's it. How hot is it? It's not that hot. Yeah, it's not hot at all. In fact, I would describe it as cold if I didn't know any better. Oh, I'm sort of right. See that? Maybe they should be stirring this. Nice bath for later. Camera? Okay. So let's start it. I'm fucking screwed. Okay, well, this is gonna continue on for a while. Oh? It's no longer filming. I'm fucking wrong. But it's filming less vigorously. So, it should be good. There's a lot of excess acid in here, about, well, enough to neutralize all the bicarbonate, plus like another same equivalent and a half, like 2.5 times as much acid in here. And that's supposed to bring it diazonation. So this should all dissolve. In fact, it's not. It's like okay, well, give it a minute and then we'll see if I have to fucking filter it because it should dissolve. Okay, we have an issue. Well, it's yellow. The solution should be yellow, but why is there that much impurity? That shouldn't be existing. I mean, oh, come on, focus. Oh, not like that. Stir properly. How is there so much impurity? I have no idea. Okay, I'm making the sodium net. Ah, fuck. This is fuck it all. Okay, the assumption is when I was trying to start this thing, going shake, shake, shake. It didn't go around it, it went over here and then spill. That's what I think happened. So I'm just gonna do it in a beaker. It's pretty endothermic, sodium nitrite. So it should, it should get pretty cold. I'm gonna have to filter the immunoquinidine. can't see that. Now you can see that, sorta. There you go. Okay, let's do a sanity check. If this is acidic, it should be. If that is acidic, then that means there's no more guanidine nitric acid reactive. That means all the guanidines in the solution. If it's not acidic, then that could still be guanidine bicarbonate. Okay. It's acidic, it's free. Can you see that? Yeah. So there's plenty of nitric acid, so whatever that is, it's purity. Okay. Ain't that a pretty red? That's pretty red. Okay, don't trust the lab coat, kids. If you think this looks sketchy, it's because it does. You know, I might appear to know what I'm doing, but in reality, I most often do not. Okay, so hope this works. Oh, hot damn. That worked very well. That was easy mode. Now it's oh, no problem at all. Works like a champ. Got it. So whatever impurity there was, that's how much there was of it. Not a lot, really. Maybe a gram. More than they said there would be, but, you know, all in all, it's probably still fine. Okay, so that's the amino guanidine that I filtered. It looks fine. That's sodium. There's like 37 grams, but, you know, there's some impurity, so maybe about 35, maybe. 18 grams of sodium nitrate, that's acidified. You can be adding that to there and dropwise. It's ice. It's not a diazonation. Diazonation involves, a diazonium salt. This doesn't produce diazonium salt. This produces an azide. So it's not a diazonation, but it's the same conditions as diazonation. But yeah, it doesn't have to be kept like astronomically cold. It's pretty forgiving that way. Okay. Probably like 10 degrees C. Okay. Let's cool down a little bit. Let's begin the additions. There we go. It's a little bit fast, but I can't seem to make it slower. Oh well. This isn't that unforgiving either. Okay, I swapped out the addition funnel for the condenser. There's water flowing through it right now. Just up there and then out. Up there and out. See how it's like it's. The camera might not pick up well, but it's less. I think that's a sign. Yeah, it's working. Big but the color change should be something. See that? Foam? Yeah, I nearly filled the flask. I did this mistake before, but I forgot about it. You're supposed to add sodium carbonate to the solution. This solution is acidic. So you're adding carbonate to the acidified solution. Bubbles. I can't believe it. I nearly fucked out. It nearly filled the container, but it didn't go out. So we're okay. But you add the sodium carbonate after a while. Make sure you give it some time. Don't dump it all in right here. Very, 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 very slow additions of the sodium carbonate. Very slow. It's an easy way to fuck it up. Fuck, I missed it. It's no longer yellow-green, it's now yellow-orange. It's doing a color change. See, I don't know if it's significant, but sort of each time I add the sodium carbonate, it gets slightly less green. Well, maybe it's sort of less green until a point. Oh, I think it was so the excess acid was reacting at first, and now it's cyclizing. Pretty cool. Hey, one of the things I noticed is that sometimes, I've added a lot of carbonate, but sometimes nothing happens, and sometimes it does happen. So, a lot of bubbles form sometimes, but then if I add another bit of carbonate, not so much more bubbles form. And that's confusing. I don't really know what's happening. I think maybe, I'm adding nothing's happening. If I wait a minute or two, a lot of bubbles will form. So what I think is happening is that the solution is getting more and more acidic as time goes on. All those bubbles were produced in the first addition, but I added 3 or 4 times more right afterwards and no more bubbles. So I think it's slowly getting acidic as time goes on. And if you wait for it to get acidic and add a bunch, it'll make a lot of bubbles. But if you slowly add it all at once, any acidity form instantly reacts with the bicarbonate, so nothing happens. Maybe not, but it's just an observation. See, now, if I add, it's 30 seconds go by. Right? Add it. It's gonna bubble. See? But if I add it again, 5 seconds later, nothing. Okay, it bubbled a little bit. Actually, it bubbled again, but I don't know. So maybe it's becoming acidic over time. That's my guess.
3 hours later, after heating at about 85 degrees C and adding all the sodium carbonate, we get our amino tetrasol solution. We'll let it sit overnight and see how much we get. Oh, and that's the concentrated nitric acid from the previous one.
It is 3 days later. And now it's time to see how the crystals look. And, well,
they're beautiful. They're absolutely crystalline. It's beauty.
I don't know why it's clumped like that. I guess it formed around the stir bar, but it's magnificent. Okay, filtering. It's nothing, unique to it. It's something that needs to be done. Well, I guess now that's decanting. Jesus, it's fucking cold. Okay, This is so much stuff. This is like an 80%. Like, well, I mean, I don't want to say the yield word yet because it's not overfilled and I do not want to say the yield word yet, but it's getting me it's getting me vibes. Damn, that's cool. Just doing that because for this thing to properly work, it needs a 2440 joints. I only have one of those, it's a flat bottom. It's 500 mils, so it doesn't, gotta drain the excess. Probably could have just dumped it in a beaker, just done off it, but whatever. Whatever. Okay. So, here's what's left. Looks good. Jesus Christ. These crystals are so I'm having that problem where the main loss is going to be physical loss. Okay. I don't think this counts, but I'm going to say it anyway. Now, wash with a little ice cold water and dry thoroughly on the pump. I think everyone needs to say that at least once in their life. It's standard procedure. Damn, the washings are like... More explain, the washings are the hardest hit of it. Wait. Okay, now. And dry thoroughly on the pump. Damn, that's so much. It's so much steel.
much yield. Yield. Look at those fucking crystals. Do I even need to recrystallize it? I don't think so. I mean, maybe. Like, come on. They're beautiful. Beautiful. This is the first batch of crystals. I mean, there's some not great, but a lot of it is I consider extremely high purity. This is gonna be left to dry, and this is the solution. Got about 700, 650. Gonna boil this down to like 200, 300, and then collect the second crop. Okay, so after drying under vacuum for like a couple hours, we get a reasonably dry crystalline product. Okay, so let's measure this.
So we started with 37 grams, I think. Yeah, 37 grams of amino quantity. So we're ending up with now 16, 17, 20 Gs. That's like a 60% yield about. Like that. I'd say that's pretty good. So it's a pretty fucking good day, I would say. Holy crap, I have 20 grams of tetrazole. That's a dream come true.
Okay, this is a burn test of 5 amino tetrazole. That looks to be about, I didn't weigh it, but it looks like 100 milligrams or so. Maybe more. Perfect. Absolutely perfect.